Hello बच्चों, today we will discuss about the purification of the colloidal solution. Are you ready? So let us start the topic. When some particle other than the colloidal particle are mixed in the colloidal solution, so we can say that the colloidal solution become impure. So we need a purification method for the purification of the colloidal solution. So there are some methods for the purification of the colloidal solution. First one is a dialysis. The method of separation of crystalloid from colloidal solution by means of diffusion through semi permeable membrane. Okay. So the method of separation of crystalloids from the colloidal solution by the means of diffusion through the semi permeable membrane is said to be called as dialysis. So we can understand by the diagram. Let us a tank filled with the water and the colloidal solution which want to be purified, it is filled in a membrane, special membrane, that is said to be animal membrane or parchment membrane, means their membrane is a semi permeable membrane. So the impurities in the form of crystalloids, they comes out by the process of diffusion. The impurities comes out through the animal membrane by the process of diffusion into the water. The colloidal solution is purified in this method by the process of dialysis. So next one is electrodialysis. Sometimes the dialysis process is very slow. So increase the rate of the dialysis, we should apply the electric field in the dialysis setup. So electric field is applied on passing electric current. The process of dialysis become fast. Electrodialysis is the same method, the method of separation of crystalloid from the colloidal solution by the means of diffusion through the semi permeable membrane on passing electricity is called as dialysis. Electrodialysis is said to be electrodialysis. Clear? So next one is ultrafiltration. The process of removing impurities from the colloidal solution through ultrafilter paper. So the ultrafilter paper are prepared from the ordinary filter paper by use of the colloidin. What are the colloidin? Colloidin are the solution of 4% nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and ether. Correct? So these colloidin reduce the pore structure of the ordinary filter paper. So colloidal particle cannot pass through the ultrafilter paper, while as the impurities can pass through the ultrafilter paper. We know that the ordinary filter paper can pass the colloidal particles. CBSE frequently asks the question, what is the collodion? The child write in the copy, the particle, the ion of the colloidal solution are called as the collodion. That is a wrong. Collodion is a mixture of, it is the solution of 4% nitrocellulose in alcohol and ether. Ultracentrifugation can be defined as the process of removing impurities from colloidal solution by using centrifuge machine is called ultracentrifugation. So, the process of removing impurities from the colloidal solution by using a centrifuge machine is said to be ultracentrifugation, or simple definition is that the process of precipitation of colloidal particle when the solution is rotate in centrifuge machine. So, the colloidal particles can settle at the bottom forcefully when the solution is rotated in a centrifuge machine in a high speed. If you like the video, please like and share and press the notification bell. Thank you.